So I thought I'd just do a little video of the workshop, what I've been up to, because we're going to be leaving here in a couple of weeks and moving to our new home. So I'll be building a new workshop there. So this is all the stuff for the desert sled I'm building at the moment. A few more jobs to do on that, as you can see on the list. We've got some wheels all laced up, ready to go, a 21 and a 19, ready to go on a chopper that I want to build after the desert sled. Can't wait to be getting on with that. Some tank moulds and some original tanks from the first couple of bikes I built. A really skinny Royal Enfield, and then the first one. Probably recognise them. We've got the cockroach, which is all buttoned up, rebuilt, ready to go, ready to sell. If anyone's interested in the cockroach, it's a Lambretta chopper with a 186 alley kit, 30mm Delotto carb, all built by myself. A lovely bit of kit. Starts on a button, quite rapid for a 185cc two-stroke. But yeah, if you want to make a deal on that, let me know. That's going to be for sale very soon once we move over to the new place. What else we got? We've got a bit of inspiration. Boom, look at that. It's a must. Some old handlebars from my old chopper, axe in the background. And we've got this lovely seat me and my friend James made, which is a take on a Bates scramble seat from back in the late 60s. Yeah, we smashed this one out. These are going to be available as well. So if anyone wants to make a custom seat, then get in touch as well, and we can make these for you. As long as we've got your seat pattern and fixing pattern, we can pretty much make any seat you want. And that's full custom and full leather, that is, so it's solid. Got the two wheels for desert sled, all laced up, ready to go. Frame jig behind that. Frame jig for when I build the chopper frame, the rigid chopper frame. I'll be using that to build that. We've got a 500 Enfield here that I've been working on. A few little details to finish this off. Gonna put some new forks on it, get some levers, some grips, get the cabling done, and then the wiring. Put rear mud guard on that, and that's pretty much all on that. I think that'll be up for sale as well. So if you're interested in that, let me know and make a deal. So I'm up for it. It's all got to go. Obligatory "Don't Tread on Me" banner, rag and bone. We've got the 700 Super Meteor 1961. Lovely bit of kit. This is all rebuilt. Now this is what I'm going to put in my chopper when I build the frame and stuff. So I'm looking forward to be getting on with that. Cannot wait. Very excited to get on with that. It's like a dream bike, really. Got the standard Bullet 500 engine there. This is also for sale. Going to give it a good clean. I rebuilt that before I stripped it down, so it's a solid engine. But if you're interested in that, let me know. And you're more than welcome to make me an offer and buy that as well. What else we got? Shelves full of shit. I'm sure everyone's got that stuff in their workshop. Thrasher banner. R1 Out Crew banner. And you know the rest. So hopefully the plan today is to get this together. Now this is all stuff I've been doing. Some high pipes there, rim mud guard, front headlight, and I've had to fix these slab yokes because someone wanted just to put like a 10mm bolt in there. It's not what goes in there. It's a British standard thread that goes in there. That's shanked as well, so I've had to repair all that, but that's all good. That's all happening. So we've got what else here? We've got some bits here. We've got the mud guard for the desert sled, handlebars for the desert sled, some wiring got to sort out, high pipes, all done, ready. Just been making this fit there. So I'm going to put it on, it's all looks as it should. Got a bit of inspiration up here. We've got the Gons. You've got the man. And we've got the old, this is the old locking nut for the top of one of my bikes. It's a four-headed Buddha. So you get everything going on there. Just fun bits like to keep. And then we've got the 1958 Trailblazer engine. That today is going into that frame there. And I'm looking forward to getting this done. It's been a while because obviously since before Christmas I was pretty busy with work and stuff and didn't have time to do it, so I made sure I just got everything ready so when I got back I could put it into the frame. So if I get that done today, that'd be really, really good. And yeah, just hoping to do a few builds, update the YouTube channel with what I'm working on, and hopefully get a few builds built and show you step by step what I do and what I'm up to. So, like I say, hopefully we can build a YouTube channel and I can build a few decent bikes and go from there, really. So yeah, check it out. And that's about it for the workshop. Like I said, I'll be leaving here in a couple of weeks, so it's just good to give everyone a little bit of idea of what I've been up to and where I've been. This is my space. I say it's been very busy, so I haven't had a lot of time to do bike building, but I'm hoping this year to get a lot of stuff done and then continue to keep building bikes and creating stuff and making good shit. Cheers, everyone.